Hi, it's Chris. I am out here in my home office in the middle of the Mojave Desert, finding you things that can make your life easier. Now, if anybody watched my video on Pingdom, which gave me a whole bunch of information on my blog, and it told me, let's see, I can bring it up. It told me a bunch of stuff about my video, but it told me I needed to compress a bunch of stuff with something called gzip. Well, I found out gzip is a plugin of some kind, and I don't know if I want to put another plugin because I think that would slow my website down even more. So I found this tool called Optimizilla, and it will take any of your pictures or graphs or whatever and compress them. So it's an online image optimizer, and it will work with either JPEG or PNG. So let me show you quickly how this works. I'm going to upload a picture. This one's kind of pretty. Not that I'm looking especially for pretty. So it's 828 kilobytes. I think that's what you call it. And it's taken it down 86%. So where I told you it was 829, it took it down to 116. So that's minus 86%, and look, the pictures are still gorgeous, and I can download it. So I thought that I would at least give this a try. Take the pictures out of my blog, compress them in here, and then re-upload them and see what the difference is. I'll run the Pingdom again and see if it has improved my score, which was an overall B as in Baker, I believe. If it completely has changed the score and taken that compression thing away. So I hope this is something you can use if you need to compress stuff. I also found another one that I'll add in here. Let's see if I can find it real fast while I've got you. It is called PDF Compressor, and it'll do all these things: PDF to doc, PDF to text. So it's also a compressor, and I will add the URL to this also in the description, so you'll have both of them and check them out and see if either one of them can help you out. So thank you very much for listening. I will be back with you again shortly with another find that I have found. And if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And I will, like I said, talk to you again very soon. Thanks for listening.